An immersive childcare course is giving students a taste of the real world, letting them learn alongside the sound of crying babies and the typical noises found in early year settings. These include tantrums and noisy play sessions, and every so often someone's toddler sneezes directly into their mouth. Just straight down there. It's a real visceral experience, but it is important that they learn. Teaching trainees the most vital skill of all of their entire career, pretending that everything is fine while being surrounded by chaos and covered in snot, just directly down your mouth. Ugh. Studies have found that listening to recorded tantrums is the perfect preparation for the real world, including children, public transport, and eventually they'll complete the training with recordings of parents demanding discounts on their fees.